Why every busy cook needs the Cuisinart MSC-800. 4-in-1 multi-cooker review. Life changer alert. Ever feel like your kitchen is out to sabotage your dinner plans? You're juggling 1,000 things, deadlines, traffic, life, and yet somehow still expected to pull off a decent meal without losing your sanity. You dream of effortless dinners but end up wrestling stubborn stovetops, scrubbing sticky pans, or waiting hours for that slow cooker to do its thing. Sound painfully familiar? You're not alone. Most of us feel stuck in this daily dinner grind, overwhelmed by tools that overpromise and underdeliver. The result? Wasted time, cold meals, and zero motivation to even try anymore. Now, crank that frustration up a notch. Imagine your family waiting hungrily as your stovetop burns another batch of veggies. Your old slow cooker? Too slow. Your oven? Eats electricity like candy. And let's not even start on scrubbing burnt pots at midnight while everyone else relaxes. The stress builds, your energy drains, and you start dreading mealtime altogether. Missed family dinners, burnt roasts, sticky cleanups, it's like your kitchen's conspiring against you. Why does something as basic as cooking feel like climbing Everest without oxygen? Enter the Cuisinart MSC-800 7-quart, 4-in-1 Cook Central Multicooker, aka your personal sous chef on autopilot. This isn't just a gadget, it's a culinary revolution. One-touch mode switching lets you brown, sauté, slow cook, roast, or steam without breaking a sweat. Yep, dinner practically cooks itself. With programmable presets, automatic keep warm, and a massive 7-quart nonstick pot, this machine turns even rookies into rockstar home chefs. Whether you're roasting a chicken, slow-cooking chile, or steaming dumplings, the MSC-800 handles it all like a pro, so you don't have to. What makes the Cuisinart MSC-800 seriously next level? Start with its gigantic, family-sized 7-quart pot, perfect for meal prepping or feeding a hungry crew. Its backlit LCD screen and glass lid keep cooking crystal clear, while the retractable cord keeps your counters Instagram-worthy. Clean up? Dishwasher-safe everything. Flexibility? Swap between modes mid-cook without restarting. It's like having 4 kitchen appliances in one sleek unit. Want to simplify mealtime chaos and boost your kitchen confidence? Keep watching and see why thousands are swapping their slow cookers for this multitasking marvel. Thousands of home cooks have already ditched the kitchen chaos and upgraded with the Cuisinart MSC-800, so why haven't you? Stock is moving fast, and trust me, once you taste the difference, there's no going back. Don't let burnt dinners and messy kitchens hold you hostage another day. Click the link, grab your MSC-800, and join the army of smart chefs who've reclaimed mealtime. Limited supply, 3-year warranty, 4-in-1 brilliance, you're one click away from stress-free cooking. Stop settling. Start winning dinner. Your future self, and your taste buds, will thank you.